so it's a Mercury Island, it's called, and it's very, very difficult to get there. And we got there and we filmed it in those different formats over the years, so over a 30-year period. And so yeah, it's a complex story. Yeah.
And
The series is 8 episodes, so there's many, many, many messages. But one of the big ones is just a general awareness that we are not the only species on the planet. And we have to share this. And there are people who are fighting for this on our behalf, and we need to support them.
so that's really
2015, when I met wildlife crime fighting team at Wildlife Trust of India in Delhi, and I got to know them and understand the issues they're facing, obstacles in trying to basically save all species in India. And I was so moved by how selfless these people were. And there was no movie or series in the market like this. Nothing was fulfilling the function.
That's fantastic, sir. It's a great moment. It's like a pioneer of the thought that you are presenting here.
I'm so thankful for their film and to be a part of our festival. It's such an important film. Thank you for making it here.
Thank you so much, sir. It's all because of you. So I'll come to you, ma'am.
Many, many years, 3 decades, and the inspiration was because we live in a world where there are stories to tell, and some of them are very important, and this one is about nature and nature conservation, but as well as the interior landscape of a person who lives alone on an island and faces his demons and his wonders, and we go through that journey with him.
That's amazing.
I love the festival process because festivals are there to curate good content. Because there's so much out there. So you need something. You need a programmer. You need a team to decide. हमने सब कुछ देख लिया, but this is worth showing. So they are curated. And then for me, it's just being present. I mean, our hard work is making it. And then standing back and letting it fly. But to be honest, institutions, organizations, festivals like this are crucial for me. Crucial. So I'm very, very grateful for doing this. Very grateful.
And drone and that kind of thing. But the interesting thing about this is because it was shot over so many years. Was in the beginning was a high 8, which he had himself, the main protagonist of the film, and then Gerald's previous partner went there and filmed it on Betacam, and then later on in the 2000s, I went and shot on the island on 4K. So that's how I did. Yeah. Okay.
Make people think about the balance in nature and what happens when it goes out of balance and what can be done and what one person is capable of doing, because it returns a certain agency to humans to be able to do something about a big problem. So it's quite a dark film. It's not an easy listening film. Yeah.
This is
Asking this question, and I'm glad that we are having this 18th edition of MIB. After India's film The Elephant Whisperers won an Oscar recently, which was a documentary film, and it was a film on conservation, it was a film on environment, the kind of story which you are trying to say, and trying to raise the consciousness of people from the eyes of truth. So that's what this festival is about, celebrating the various documentaries. I'm sure after the explanation given by her, many of you would want to go and watch this film for yourself, how really the camera works and how really you capture such difficult stories. And so we are glad that such powerful narratives, such powerful stories from all across the world are there with us. In fact, this year we've been lucky, we've been really blessed that there are films from 59 countries and 61 languages, which is double the last edition which we had, so which speaks for itself. And just one more fact for all of you is that there was a study from all across the world which said all the formats the viewership has remained more or less the same or it has declined. But in the last year the people's viewership in documentary has increased from 14% to 18.5%. That shows that people are turning to this kind of a storytelling, and we're so happy that we are part of that platform which sort of provides filmmakers an opportunity to get together, cinephiles to see such documentaries from all across the world. And thanks for all the participants to to be here and be a part of this festival.
Okay, so good evening everyone. Good evening to the team, to the director, to the very main director. So yes, first of all, let me welcome you to the second day of MIFF. And how does it feel to be here, sir?
Feels great. I'm very honored to be here and to see this incredible setup.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, आपसे तो हम कल भी मिले थे. And how does it feel to be here? You come, you enter, and the venue is completely sparkle. How are you feeling, sir?
मेरी जो फीलिंग है, मुझे इतना वार्म और इतना पॉजिटिव और इतना क्रिएटिव और इतना सुंदर लग रहा है कि मैं आज भी, मुझे एक बार बताया गया, मैं तुरंत भाग के आया हूँ और सब लोग इतने प्यारे हैं और इतने जेन्युइन, बहुत दिन के बाद मुझे इतना सुंदर माहौल मिला है। मेरी 2 लाइन की कविता है। मेरी एक बुक है अज्ञात से ज्ञात की और अमेज़न पे है कि पगडंडियाँ खो चुकी है अब गाँव में, लोग जूते पहनने लगे हैं अब गाँव में। तो और मेरा सौभाग्य है कि मैं ऋषि जी के साथ उनके बगल में खड़ा हूँ। मेरा कोई भी हक और कोई अधिकार नहीं है। पता नहीं कैसे पंचायत मेरी इतनी लोगों ने पसंद किया है, जिस वजह से मुझे लोग याद करते हैं और इसके लिए मैं बहुत ही अनुग्रहित हूँ सबके लिए। खास करके इस प्रोग्राम में मुझे बुलाया गया, इसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद धन्यवाद धन्यवाद। बड़ा सीक्रेट बता रहा हूँ मैं कि मैं ओशो को सुनता हूँ, ओशो को पढ़ता हूँ और उनके जो भी ध्यान है, बहुत इंटेंस मेडिटेशन है, वो मैं करता हूँ। डायनामिक है, नो माइंड है, हु इज़ इन है, मिस्टिक रोज है। तो ये सब जब मैंने अपने ऊपर काम किया तो मुझे, जैसे मेरी अभी कविता आई है, मैं पेंटिंग बनाता हूँ। अभी जहांगीर में मेरे एग्जीबिशन होने वाला है मेरा। अभी पंचायत आई है, तो पंचायत में एक नए तरह का लोगों को एक एक्टिंग, अभिनय या पात्र को जीना जैसा जो होता है वो देखा गया है लोगों को। लोग बहुत प्रेम दे रहे हैं। एक बार ओशो से किसी ने पूछा था कि मैं बहुत अच्छा अभिनेता बनना चाहता हूँ, उसके लिए मैं क्या करूँ? तो ओशो ने कहा था कि 2 लाइन में, जो आज की तारीख में इंडस्ट्री में लोग उसका जिक्र करते हैं, उन्होंने 2 लाइन में कहा था जो पूरे वर्ल्ड का कोई भी एक्टिंग टीचर नहीं बता सकता है। उन्होंने कहा कि जीवन ऐसे जियो जैसे अभिनय कर रहे हो और अभिनय ऐसे करो जैसे जीवन जी रहे हो। तो मैंने पंचायत में वो जो चरित्र है अपना चंद्रकिशोर सिंह का, उसको मैंने जिया है और वही लोगों को छुआ है। और जब छुआ है तो वो सब का प्रेम मुझे छू रहा है, कि मेरे लिए बहुत ही सुंदर है। थैंक यू।
So, let me just congratulate again Richie for making such a important film, important in the sense that it is inspired by real life events, and it has been made into such a film that anybody would like to watch it and get entertainment as well as the message embedded in it, which is so very important, which he put it in very few words, is that we are not the only species on this planet. So very important, which has been said by him. So I would really want that platforms like Amazon and Netflix and all the OTTs and the other producers should encourage this kind of content. Similar is the state of Panchayat. Nobody had thought that a simple story of the development which is happening in the villages would come out in such a beautiful way, in such an entertaining way. So I'm really happy that such a content is finding a lot of space in people's viewing habits. Thank you so much, guys.
Wait. Thank you.